have been misled by this, say what I don't mind using the word, at the behest of corporate sabotage. We have been eating all the foods that we are eating, and knowingly or unknowingly we have been actually led to by these green revolution experts. And the same experts now are saying millets are nutraceuticals. It's not just nutraceuticals, they are healing grains. They bring back the lost health of the human race. Like diabetes is incurable according to this present day medical world. We have healed type 1 diabetes patients left and right. We have healed cancer patients. We have healed muscular dystrophy. We have healed gangrene patients. We have healed the BP patients. All these so-called diseases have been declared by the present modern day medical world as incurable, and they can only manage. But we can completely get out of this medical dependency when you start eating millets, because they start healing, because they have fibers that can remove the oxidative stress and EMF as and when it is generated in each and every living cell, wherein the ATP production takes place, at the same time generating toxic morbid waste in the form of EMF, which transmutates and produces carbon dioxide as the most toxic morbid gas present in our living cells. And if we do not eliminate carbon dioxide then and there, you're going to die. So there are many such toxic morbid waste that are generated, which the lignans, the fiber, and the most beautiful antioxidants that the plant kingdom can give you are available in the millet's food, in the fibers of these grains, and they are nowhere else present. Many non-meat, non-animal proteins are actually phytoxidants, oxidants they are called, OXI, oxidation, and phyto-antioxidants. Oxidation releases inflammation. So antioxidant reduce the inflammation and remove the disease. So the antioxidant nature of lignans is the ultimate, is the wide range, and hence almost all diseases can be wiped out, and we can actually conveniently and scientifically claim that lignans have the highest healing properties. So actually name them healing grains. They are not just nutraceutical grains, they are healing grains, because nutrition is available and it's only half of the story of being healthy. It builds your body, but then the toxic material waste has to be cleaned up on a daily basis, and that is to be the role and characteristic of food that you eat. And that is the sole reason why we have diseases of late, because that part of the characteristic of food is not available with rice, wheat, meat, milk, and all these modern day foods that we are eating. Now, I hope I have made that point very clear.